Hello there, this is Jim Lindsay with Revolution Data Systems. I'm here to show you an exciting new feature in AppEnhancer 24.4, and that is the Rubber Band OCR. This feature can help you save time indexing your data, and I'm going to show you how to use it in 3 easy steps. The first step is to click the Modify button in the lower right-hand corner. Next, for the second step, we need to enable the Rubber Band OCR feature by clicking on the icon. And then thirdly, let's select the data field that we want our Rubber Band OCR data to populate. We'll do location. Now you'll notice that we have a plus mark icon on our mouse. And what we do is find the data that we want to Rubber Band OCR. So I'm going to get San Diego, California. So now I'm going to click my mouse button and then drag across and then unclick. And you'll notice in our data field, the location data field, that San Diego, California has now populated. And that's the Rubber Band OCR feature in AppEnhancer 24.4. Hope you have a great day.